We're here today to congratulate Tim Todd on 50 years of service and the Charles Taylor Award from the FAA.
Some people may think this is just kind of a participation award. You hang around long enough, you'll get it. It's not. You look at this and you hear the speeches and you hear about the man's career and the effect he's had. It's a big, big deal.
We are honored and privileged to have him on our team. He's been a part of our team for many, many years. If I were to say there was one thing about Tim that has had the most impact on our team is his sage wisdom in the area of general aviation maintenance.
He's been a resource, a mentor, a guide, and a leader. Every day when I walk into the hangar, Tim Todd comes in with a smile on his face. And talked about earlier, the Lord would have to bless me to be able to come into work every day smiling after 50 years of service.
The company, just really good company to work for, and so I really want to thank everybody for it. So I appreciate it. Thanks again.